Today I am sharing with you all the fun stuff that I picked up from Dollar Tree recently. They have a lot of fun Halloween stuff out right now, as well as a lot of supplies that I wanted to get for my DIY project. So make sure you stay tuned to see everything that I picked up. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katelyn and I love to make a lot of DIY home decor as well as show you all the fun decor that I'll be picking up throughout this season. So today I am sharing with you a really fun Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot of good stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and jump in and show you everything that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I picked up that I was excited to share with you all was these little witches' feet on these wooden stakes. These were actually sold separately, so they were $2 for a set of them. But I thought that they were really cute. They actually had them going the opposite directions so that you could buy a set of these. And I think they would be really cute in like a pot with like mums or something in front of them, and it looked like the little witch's feet sticking up. There's a ton of different ideas that you can do with them. Go follow me on Instagram. I am at KraftsbyKatelyn. I just love connecting with you all over there. You can send me projects that you're working on, as well as crafting ideas if you have for myself, or new things that you find at Dollar Tree. And I just love being able to send photos and communicate more over there. So do go follow me over on Instagram if you are interested in sending me some photos or showing me what you are working on. But I did think that these were really cute, and I am excited to try to find a creative way that I can incorporate these into a project. My Dollar Tree just recently put out all of their Halloween. They've had fall for a while now, but just now got all their Halloween stuff, so I picked up these new signs. This one is really cute. It says, "Witches beware, spooky boo creepy," and it's kind of got the orange and black. And then this one is a little bit more farmhouse-like, but it does have a lot of the orange glitter. It even has this little galvanized pumpkin in there, and it says, "Trick or treat, happy hunting, haunted houses, jack-o'-lanterns," and it goes on. But I thought that this one is really cute. This would be probably my favorite sign that Dollar Tree has out for Halloween. I like to turn these around and make them look like faux wood, and then paint my own stuff on them, but I actually think that is really cute. So I did pick up both of these. Another cute Halloween sign was this little ghost. I love little ghosts. I think they are my favorite thing to decorate with, and it says "Boo," and this is actually kind of raised up, and he's got a cute little sparkly face. All of these do have a ton of glitter. You all should see my kitchen floor after I come home. Well, I'm sure you know. If you shop at Dollar Tree, you know. But you get this glitter everywhere, and I didn't touch my face and it gets everywhere. But I did think that he was really, really cute. I'm not sure what you could flip him over and make him look like. I don't know if I'll get around to doing that this year or not, but I thought that he was really cute. I also found some little plastic dinnerware. This one says "Gather" and has the little pumpkins on there. And then they had the larger one with the orange and the white pumpkin. And these like coordinate really cute if you wanted to just set these up for decor or actually use these. They had another design for sure. I don't know if they had a couple more designs, but this was just my favorite set that they had. I think that this would coordinate into farmhouse, as well as kind of have softer colors and not so bright orange. But I do think that these are so pretty. It does say "Gather" in the red color, and I really, really like these. Another one of my favorite finds from Dollar Tree was this little Pie's the Limit pumpkin pie. I personally love pumpkin pie. My grandma fixes it and it's always really, really good. But I think this is so pretty. It's got a large piece here with a little whipped cream, and then all over it, it has small little pieces. But I just think that this is really pretty and doesn't look like something that would come from Dollar Tree. So this is really cute. This is the only one that they had at my Dollar Tree. I didn't see any other styles, and there was just one of these, so I just grabbed it as fast as I can. But I have seen other people saying that they do have another version of this, and that they got to pick up several of these. So keep an eye out, and if you see any of these, grab it, because these will be gone super fast. Something that is not fall related was this cute little canvas that has these vintage looking teacups. I used to have a shabby chic kind of blush pink and gold kitchen, and I loved it. I thought it was so cute, and this just, I don't know if I'll ever be able to use this for anything. It doesn't really go with my home decor anymore, but just seeing pieces like this, I knew this is something that I would have bought if my kitchen was still decorated like that, and I just think that it is so pretty. So I just went ahead and got it. I thought this might even be cute setting on my little vanity or in my bedroom on top of my dresser. New to my Dollar Tree are these little rectangular signs, and these actually have like laser cut out of the sign. I thought that I would be able to paint over all of this, but as you can see that is burnt into the back of this sign, so it actually is see-through. So I'm not sure if you could go ahead and paint that and just kind of incorporate that into the design if you wanted to do. This already looks farmhouse and really cute, so you wouldn't have to do anything to that one. And this one is really pretty as well, but just me making videos and trying to think of other ways to use these, I'm not sure. These probably wouldn't be easy having to work around everything that is cut out. In the Halloween section, they also had these little mean looking pumpkin lanterns. You have to pull the little tabs out, and they just have a little LED down there. I wish that it really wasn't so much color changing. I wish it was kind of just the white light, but everybody wishes different things, so they can't satisfy everybody. But you might be able to pop that out if you did want just a white one in there. But these are orange, and they are in a nice size. I think that these would be really cute attached to like a candlestick and just make them stand up and make them a little bit larger. I was so excited with Dollar Tree's candles out right now. They have this one that says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, and it's got some beautiful little pumpkins around the sides of it, and they're just such good quality, and they actually smell pretty good too. This one actually is in a video that's going to be coming up Monday. You don't want to miss that video. It is going to be one of the most exciting videos that I've had on my channel for a long time. You'll see why whenever it's Monday, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you do get notified whenever it does go live. But this one is in that video staged with a DIY that I'm excited about, and it says Cozy Vibes Happy Heart. I think that is really cute. And then I guess one of my favorite ones says Hello Fall, and it has the leaves all the way around the back. I haven't burned this one yet. I've already burned this little green one, but I just think that these are so pretty just to set around. And even if you don't love the smell of them, they still are super cute just to set around with all of your decor. But I think they actually smell really good, and even burning, like, they do put off a scent. It's not super strong, but they do smell really good. Whenever I went to make my DIY Scarecrow, I have a video on that a couple weeks ago, I couldn't find any perfect plaid ribbon at the Dollar Tree, but now they probably already had this, but my Dollar Tree is just slow to get things in. But they have this beautiful plaid ribbon that would work perfect for that Scarecrow. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out, but this would be great for that project. I also found these plastic gray tubs, and these are like good quality. They're kind of thin, but they have these nice little metal handles. I think these not only would be super cute in like your pantry for snacks, but this also could make a cute DIY. You could put something in there and decorate that, because I just love those metal handles on the side. I think that just makes it look like really good quality and gives it extra detail to decor. My husband is sawing wood. There's a baby goat outside of my door, and vehicles are passing constantly, so this video is probably really noisy, and my kids are playing. See the goat? And my kids are playing right out the door, so it's probably really noisy. But they also have these little jar candles. I love the little jar candles from Dollar Tree. As you can see, like, I have one lit back here in just the white. I think it looks so farmhouse and so clean and crisp, just for $1 to add into your decor. I think these are really pretty. Like I say, the smell isn't just really overwhelming. It doesn't fill your house or anything, but they do smell really good. This one actually is warm maple syrup, and it does have a nice smell to it, so this was one of my favorites, as well as the spiced pumpkin. I also think that it smelled really good. For a DIY project, I picked up a couple of these little hooks that say Our Nest is Best. I thought that these would be so easy to make over. They already have the hanger as well as the jute string, and then on the front they have that little knob, and then a really nice flat glitter-free background that we can paint and DIY. So I'm not sure exactly what I'll do with these. If you have already made these over, let me know in the comments below what you have been doing, or any of these items that I show in today's video. I always love hearing your ideas, and sometimes if you tell me something in the comments, it kind of gets my brain working to kind of come up with my own idea. So it's just kind of neat. Even though I don't just copy exactly what you made, it kind of makes me think outside of the box a little bit more. So I love these. I thought they were really cute. I do like the greenery if you just wanted to leave these as is, but I wouldn't want to hang two exactly the same. beside each other. I didn't like the other design that my Dollar Tree had in this, so it's something that I might try to make them coordinate or something. This was my favorite little Halloween sign in these little tabletop squares, or they can hang up as well. But I don't like putting a lot of holes in my wall for just the Halloween season. But this one was my favorite one that they have right now. It says trick or treat. The bow looks kind of sad, so I definitely need to try to replace that with something, maybe a little jute string bow. But I did think that this was really cute. I have seen small little easels at Dollar Tree, but none this large. I think this would be perfect for displaying like some of my DIYs. Some of the big pictures, I just like to stage them in a little scenery to show you how you can style them in your home. And I a lot of the times use command strips or the hooks to just temporarily put them up until I can find a permanent home for them in my home. So I think that this would come in really handy, being able to, or just to decorate with, like actually put one of these down to hold up one of my larger signs. I love that Dollar Tree is making it super simple to put out some DIYs right now. They have a lot of just blank wood things for us to make out of it and not just have to sand everything down to try to get a pumpkin shape. So I am really enjoying these. I got a solid pumpkin like this of the wood cutout, but I didn't get one with a face, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then they had this little haunted house. I think this is my favorite that I did pick up as far as the little wooden designs go. I just think this is so cute. I'm not sure how you would paint this. You might put like a stand on it, but I think this is so cute, and I am excited to try to make something really cute out of this. I always try to pick up all of the new picture frames from Dollar Tree, and they had these that were kind of deep back in there, so if you put a photo in there you would have a lot of space that you could see. So I thought these would be really fun to try to paint or even put them together. I'm not sure what I'll do, but these are 4x6s and they are in this cute teal color. If you wanted to put these in a bedroom, you could just use these as is. They are really nice quality and they're kind of heavy, which makes them feel like really sturdy. I picked up one of these orange little woven looking tubs. I think this was really pretty. I'm not sure if I'll use this on a DIY, but I really like the shape of it, how it's kind of long and narrow. This would be perfect if you want to add some words or a little sign in front of this, and you can just spray paint this. And it's so textured that the spray paint will hold really good on a tub like this. So I just picked this up. It's always good to have these on hand, and then while I'm not using them yet, I can just fill them with like paintbrushes or paint or ribbons or anything like that. So I definitely will get use out of this. They had really cute candle holders. So I picked up this little one that looks like it has kind of been dipped in paint. I thought it was really cute. And then I also love this little metal leaf charm. I think that just makes the whole little product, I think it looks so cute and high quality with that little gold charm on there. And then the last thing that I did pick up was just a bunch of these different window clings. I Mod Podged a window cling in that fall DIY video and it worked really good. It stayed perfect. I just put Mod Podge under it as well as over it and it stayed really nice. So I thought it would be fun to get some of these and just make some different little Halloween signs. And then once again, if there's something that I don't get around to making for DIYs, I can just hand these to my kids and they can decorate their little window in the room and stuff. So it won't go to waste. I think that they are really pretty, and they had more fall ones too. But these are good for DIY projects. But that is everything that I picked up yesterday at Dollar Tree. Had so much fun. Not pictured, I also picked up a ton of those little Barbie accessories that I've been seeing all over YouTube. People have been getting at Dollar Tree, but my girls would not let me wait until I filmed this video. They've already opened them all up and love them, but it's like $1 for the really high quality Barbie name brand little play sets. So I was excited to give those to them as well. But thank you so much for watching today. I had so much fun showing you everything that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'm excited to incorporate this into all of my DIYs. So once again, let me know if any of these projects is something that you're planning on using, and if you have any ideas for me. I always enjoy reading the comments. Even though now I'm getting a ton of comments and it's hard for me to reply to everyone, I do enjoy reading all of your great ideas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss out on Monday's video. I'm super excited about it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!